If you've ever felt like a raccoon doing a smoky eye, cried over eyeliner, or just feel like you can't pull off makeup, then you've come to the right place. Hi, my name's Ruby and welcome to my new series 30 in 30, where I show you how to go from this to this by showing you step-by-step tutorials in less than 30 seconds for the next month. Okay, and welcome to day 2, guys. Today we have what I would call mocha lips. So first we're going to start out with putting a little bit of concealer so that we get a nice base. I like to put a little bit of contour underneath to make like a bigger pout to make my lips look bigger. Then I line my lips with a nice dark lip liner. I blend that in. I take a very light lip gloss and it's going to look a bit too light, but you're going to pat that in and then blend that together, and then you're going to put a little bit of a pinky kind of brown gloss over it to blend it all together. And that's it. Bye!